Our city's generosity has allowed council to fill hundreds of Christmas hampers for those in need this festive season. The Mayor's Christmas campaign hailed a huge success, with the gift packs now just waiting to be distributed.
Dasher, Dancer, Cupid and Vixen are packing in the Christmas cheer, with a little help from council and Rotary volunteers, filling 700 hampers today.
Whilst we were lagging a little bit behind earlier, we're line ball now, and we will make our target of $65,000.
The fund's allowing council to fill hampers with Aussie Christmas essentials, from Vegemite to Milo. Long-time volunteers delighted to help.
It's satisfying because there's a lot of needy people here in Cairns, and we're just playing our part in making sure that they have a little bit better Christmas than they might otherwise have.
And after 17 years, the Rotary packers have it down to an art.
We've set up a production line, and a local grocer will supply some shopping trolleys for us, and we modify those so that they're able to take the boxes that we use.
But it's not all about efficiency.
It's a real festive spirit and a lot of Christmas cheer in this Fred Mould Pavilion when we do it, and I just wish we could bottle it.
The Mayor hopes these hampers will not only spread festive cheer, but help our community come together.
It means that people in Cairns show some empathy for these people and that they care, and I think that's very important for the community.
Jenny Archdall, Win News.